Hey YouTube, this is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another exciting video. I want to show you this. I got contacted by this one company, and they wanted me to do a review on their product. It's a health drink company that contacted me. It's called Benni. They sent me a package. I have not looked inside. I opened it. Thought it'd be a lot easier than doing it on camera. But they contacted me, the co-founder of it, I believe his position with the company is, and he told me about his company and asked if I wanted to review it. So I said, yeah, sure. They sent me some stuff to try, which I'm quite excited to be doing. I have a feeling he probably seen the video I did on a similar product by another company called Arden's Garden, I think it was called. Don't get that stuff. That tasted horrible. I did like 2 different flavors of that company. Health drink. They're like little health shots, and that stuff was horrible. But hopefully this stuff will be a lot better, and I think it will be. But this is just going to be a little unboxing video. I'll show you what I got. The actual review will be in a separate video. Of course, I'll put that link below. I'll probably upload this video and the review video on it at the same time, so you'll have access to both of them. I kind of want to do it separately. This was sent to a post office box I had set up for my channel, which I have yet to film a video announcing that. I'll do that soon. I may even film that today. Or all this virus stuff, I kind of been putting a lot of stuff off. Here it is. Cute little box. Like I said, open it. And let's peer inside. Ooh. This is cool. He sent 3 bottles. Oh, look at that. This is cool. Benni, this is immunity, turmeric plus ginger with black pepper and adaptogens to help support your immune system. And you know what's even cool about this? This is glass, which I think is so much more classier and sleeker, and it just looks nicer and feels nicer, feels more real. Plus, glass containers are so much more better for the environment. Those plastic stuff, it's horrible for the environment. That is cool. Of course, like I said, I'll do a review video on it. Maybe a little later today. I gotta put this in the fridge first. They're better chilled, from what I understand. And it looks like the 3 bottles are all the same flavor. Turmeric plus ginger. I looked up this company a little bit, and they do have other flavors. Here's a little information sheet. I believe they're a company out of Atlanta, I think. Tastes good and does good. And I think that's very important for people to do both. This shot is plant-based, made in the USA, high potency, no sugar, fully recyclable, keto-friendly, non-GMO, all-natural, and vegan. That's very good. So it's healthy for you and it tastes good. Some more information about the company. And they do have a website, so I suggest you check them out. I'm not sure what stores they sell this in, if it's just through the mail. You probably find it in stores too. I don't have a huge knowledge about these these health drinks as much, and I'm trying to get a little bit more healthier myself. That looks pretty cool. Okay, but I wanted to just show it to you and let you guys know where I'm coming from when I do a review video on it, because I want to be totally, fully honest with my subscribers. Some YouTubers who do reviews either on food or they go to theme parks and stuff, they don't always tell you that they are given like free access or free food or whatever, and I don't think that's right. I think you should be totally honest with your subscribers, which that's why I'm doing with you, and that's why I'm telling you about this and showing off. And of course I'll mention when I do the review video on it too that the company reached out to me to do a review video on it. So I want to be totally honest with you guys. I think it's very important. But okay. Alright, I'm going to put one of those bottles in the fridge, let it get cold. I'm going to do a little review video on it in a little bit. Alright. Thanks for watching. And I just wanted to say beforehand, thank you to Benni for sending me this stuff. I appreciate you reaching out to me and giving me the chance to review it. I'll give you my honest opinion, what I think about it. And if I like it, I'll say it. If I don't, I'm going to say that too, because I think it's very important to be honest. But okay, Thanks again, and I can't wait to try this out. All right. Bye, everybody. Bye.